I've been having problems with this compartment unlocking. When I put the key in the lock on the other side, it sticks. To see how this mechanism works, there it is in the locked position, and there it is in the unlocked position, like so. What I was finding is that there was a little burr right here on the end that would catch right there. In fact, it's still catching a little bit. I may have to file some more off here, depending on how things work. But you can see there's a little bit of a hang up there. Yeah, I think I need to take some more off still. And you don't have a very good mechanical advantage with the key. In fact, I'm worried about breaking the key. Now, I have electric locks on this unit, so generally that's not a problem. The only time it is a problem is when I store the coach. I like to turn the chassis battery off, as you can see there. The problem is, once the chassis battery's off, the only way back into this compartment is with the key, and I've been worrying that eventually I might either break a key or I won't be able to get into the compartment. So I still have a little bit more filing to do, but I think if I file that down just enough, it should clear easily, and I'll get rid of the key sticking.